Hey guys, I'm going to spend 24 hours with my dog in his cage. And I wish I could show you guys what it looks like. I could show you in the morning though. But you guys are going to be with me. Why? Because this is a video, right? Or are you just going to log out goodbye? But if you are, just skip to the end, please, for I to feel at least good. Anyways, see you when the dog gets here. I'll tell you what time it is when I do it. Bye! Here is my only light source, and also my phone. I can change it. That's good. Anyways, you can't really see him, but he's there. You could hear him. Oh, that's good. That's perfect, actually. Yeah. What are you doing? No, not in front of the people.
Hello guys, my phone is gonna die soon, so I just want to tell you that right now it's 1:20 in the morning. So I'm gonna talk to you either in the morning or when my phone gets charged. Bye!
I quit because he kept on scratching me / biting me. And who likes that? Nobody. So, yeah. And I only got to last 131. So, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.